Let's face it, Venmo is amazing for splitting bills with friends, paying back that coworker for lunch, or even sending a quick birthday gift. But what if you need to get that money to your bank account right now? That's where instant transfers come in. They're like the superhero of money movement, zipping your funds from Venmo to your bank in a flash. But before you hit that button, there are a few things to know. How much can you really transfer instantly? That's a great question, and the answer depends on a couple of factors. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of Venmo limits. Are you a Venmo VIP, verified identity profile, or a newbie? Just like with frequent flyer programs, Venmo rewards its verified users with bigger perks. If you haven't verified your identity yet, think ID, SSN, the whole shebang, you're considered a newbie. This means your weekly instant transfer limit is capped at a decent, but not earth-shattering, $299.99. That covers all your instant transfers for the week, so plan accordingly. Welcome to the big leagues, verified user status. Congratulations, you took the plunge and verified your identity. Now you're playing with the big dogs. This unlocks a much higher weekly instant transfer limit, a whopping $50,000. That's a serious chunk of change you can zip to your bank account in a heartbeat. Hold on, there's more. The per transfer limit. Alright, so you're a verified user with access to a $50,000 weekly limit. Does that mean you can just hit instant transfer on a $50,000 payment and call it a day? Not quite. Venmo also has a per transfer limit, which is currently set at $10,000. So, if you need to move more than $10,000 instantly, you'll need to break it down into multiple transfers. The instant transfer fee, gotta pay to play. Here's the thing about instant gratification, it sometimes comes with a price tag. Venmo charges a fee for instant transfers, which is currently 1.75% of the transfer amount. There's also a minimum fee of 25 cents and a maximum fee of $25. So, for a smaller transfer, the fee might be negligible, but for a larger sum, it can add up. Free standard transfers, the slower, but fee-free option. If you're not in a rush and want to save some cash, you can always opt for a standard transfer. Standard transfers take 1 to 3 business days to reach your bank account, but the beauty is, they're completely free. The final verdict, instant transfer, friend or foe. Instant transfers are a fantastic tool for those times when you absolutely need your money in your bank account right away. But remember, they come with limitations and fees. If you can wait a few days, a standard transfer might be the better option for your wallet. So, the next time you're faced with the instant transfer button, weigh the pros and cons. Do you need the money immediately? Are you okay with the fee? Once you know the answers, you can make the best choice for your financial situation. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.